Hi, I'm Lori Hullinger, and I'm an Assistant Director of Administration and Conferences.
So this individual is really nominated for the work with conferences this past summer.
I have 3 students who are my leadership team, and the summer gives me the opportunity to teach them conferences and watch them grow and learn.
And throughout the conference season, she truly led the students and helped them to help develop them to be better students and better leaders in their own right.
You had conferences in multiple buildings, and you had conferences on top of conferences to be able to manage.
Lori encourages her student staff as well as her conference student staff and empowers them to take chances and learn about leadership and develop themselves for that self-esteem to better employ them as they move into their future.
My staff make my job very easy, and I give them the credit for me getting this award.
She truly is the epitome of student life as you.